Hello and welcome back dear subscriber. Today in this video I am going to talk about NPTEL result for 2020. So already result announcement has been started, and this is going to be announced till uh, 2 weeks. So within 3 weeks from the date of NPTEL exam completed, your result will come. For today first date, only like 5 to 6 courses result came. So these are the courses. So courses are like a form application like this. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 courses result came by today itself, and I will share this Excel sheet link to you in the video description as well as in comment section, so you can also open and check it out for your course, that on what date your result is going to be uh, published, and you can check it out the other detail. Okay, so let me get back to the course. So what are the course and process you can go with? So guys, to check the list of the courses, what are the courses result has been announced, you can check from this Excel sheet. And if you want to check the result, you go and click on this link. This link I will provide directly in the video description as well as in comment section. You can just click and open this page, and you will get this page. You have to click here. Okay, so January to July 2020. So January and July means for any semester, if you have like previous semester or current semester courses, you can find with the same link, and your course detail will be available here. And regarding result, you will get here button like click to view result, so you can click on this. And if your course result has been already announced, you will get here is course name and those detail, and download e-certificate option you will get. You can click there and download. And previously, before 2020, if you have completed any of the NPTEL courses, that will not be appeared here. So for that, you have to go on the next link. So those link I will mention like for all NPTEL courses certificate. So those link I will provide in the video description as well as in comment section. You will open this page, and then after you have to click on candidates login. And on candidates login, once you log in, so you will get all those previous semester, all those courses detail and all those score and e-certificate you will get. And this same from few semester, NPTEL is not providing any hard copy. So guys, you will not get any hard copy of the NPTEL certificate, only e-certificate. This soft copy is enough. And if you need hard copy, you can take print out at the Photoshop and Xerox center or stationery. So this is up to you, but NPTEL is not going to provide you any hard copy. Okay guys, so I think my net is not working properly. Okay, so I will get back later to this, and just I provide this link. You can just click on candidates login and proceed. I will check at the end of video if my network is going to restore. Okay, so from that you can click and download your certificate. Okay guys, so I have explained this how to download certificate also here. Okay, and now what if your score is below, like if you are thinking that your score must be more, so what the next step you have to go? So you can report regarding your queries 3 days from day of publication of the score. So the publication of a score, you can find it here for your course. What are the courses? So here I am actually talking about data structure and algorithm using Java. So the result is published on December 24. So till December 27, you can go and report this score. So regarding this report of a score, you will find those same on this page. So here you will get a report or raise your question, so you can click there and you can report. Okay guys, so nothing more than that. Is very easy. Once you open, you can find it and you can report. Okay, so I hope I have covered these things. And if you have gone through any changes, like if you have filled form for name and date of birth changes, so those things will not be uh, shown on your certificate. Those if changes will be effectively appear from January 15th. So you have to wait till January 15th. After January 15th, those all correction will be done and you will get your corrected name and DOB on your certificate. For now, if there is any mistake and if you have already applied, if you have already filled the Google form for those correction, don't worry, you just wait till January 15th 2020. Okay guys, so this is done, this part is done. Okay, and okay, so this okay, so in candidates login you can see already my login has been done, and in this you can find all those courses whatever you have done. Okay, and you can check it out. Okay, so this is all courses link I will provide, and here only current semester 2020 whole year semester courses will be available. Okay, so I hope I am clear. Now coming to certificate and what types of certificate, how much score you need. Still your score is more than 40%, still you have not got certificate. So what is that? So let me discuss first. So like you can see I have got this scoreboard of one of the learner who actually unable to secure score and meet the requirement, so he didn't get the certificate. So you can see here out of 25 in assignment he has secured 17.88. okay, so here actually he had to secure 10 or more than 10, so he met the requirement. And actually on center he wrote exam of 100 score, but those final exam was of score 75. So out of 75 they had to score, he had to score at least 30, but he scored only 24.11. So here he failed to score 6 more score, so he didn't meet the requirement. And in combination he got 42. Okay, he got 42, but still he is not eligible for e-certificate because he failed to meet at least 30 score in final examination out of 75. In your case, if your final exam of 50 score, then you must score how much? 40% of 50 score. Okay, how much? 20 score at least you have to score out of 50. Like if your course is programming, like programming in Java, programming in C++, problem solving through programming in C, if your course is like that, you have to score 20 out of 50. And if your course is like database management system, then you have to score 30 out of 75. Okay guys, and in assignment you have to score at least 10, and if your course has assignment plus online programming test, then separately in those section also you have to score at least 10 score. If you fail to meet any of requirement, you will not get. Suppose if he has scored 25 out of 25 in final exam and less than 10 scored in assignment, then he will not get certificate. Still he will be considered not eligible, because in each session you have to meet those requirement, basic requirement. So in theory subject like this, you have to score at least 10 score out of 25 in assignment, and in final exam 30 out of 75. If your course is like programming in Java, you must have to score at least 10 score in assignment and 10 score in at least 10 score in programming assignment test, and at least 20 score in final examination. If you fail to meet any of criteria, anyone, and if you are securing full out of full score in other session, you will not get certificate. Like if you are getting 25 out of 25 in programming test, 75 out of 75 in final exam, but if you fail to meet at least 10 score in assignment, you will not get certificate. I hope I am very clear. And most of you are also asking, will NPTEL consider weekly programming assignment and quiz assignment score? Of course, guys, I have already told that NPTEL will consider each and every assignment. So for that, they will take quiz assignment. Like if your course has both quiz plus programming assignment, so they will take 12.5 score for quiz and 12.5 score for programming, and they will combine. If you want to know this detail, please go and check it out our video how to calculate NPTEL assignment score like as an expert. Watch that video. I have explained very detail about this. Okay guys, so I hope I am clear with this, and now let me explain other thing. So here guys, you can see here, first congratulate him, he has scored 86 score and he is top 1%, topper 1% he is. So actually he asked me what is mean by top 1% topper. So this is, there is no such a score that at what score NPTEL will give you 1% topper or 5% topper. It is completely based on how much score learner is scored. Like there is 1000 people are writing this course and 500 got pass this course, means they are securing the certificate. So out of 500, the NPTEL people will pick the first 1%, means 1%, highest 1%. Like in class we talk about top 10, top 5 student, top 3 student, like that NPTEL used to pick top 1%, means top 1% highest score people. So he is from top 1 highest score people. Like some 500 student is passing this course. So top 5% of 500 is how much guys? So top 5% out of 100 is like 5. So in 500, 25. So like 25, he is in 25 list, like that you can calculate. If 1% means in every 100 he is 1. So like if you consider like 8 48 secured this certificate, then only 8 to 9 people have secured this certificate. Okay, I hope you got it. Means top, you are topper means top 1%, like you are in first, like first position, second position, like that this is. Okay, and this is the silver medal. So this is you will get based on this certificate type. So already I explained what the requirement you have to meet separately for the cutoff, like assignment score and final exam score. So you have to meet those cutoff, and after satisfying that condition, if your score is like this, then you will get, like if your score is less than 40, you will not get certificate. If your score is from 40 to 59, you will get successfully completed certificate. Some of you may still ask, thinking that he has secured 42 but not got any certificate. Why? Because he failed to meet 30 score out of 25 in this case. So there is no meaning that this condition is going to be applicable. After meeting that requirement, only this score and this type will be applicable. Okay, if your score is 60 or more than 60 and up to 74, you will get elite. If your score is from 75 to 89, you will get elite plus silver. So his score is 86. So he has secured in this category elite plus silver. So this is elite plus silver medal, right? And if your score is 90 or more than 90, you will get elite plus gold. Okay, so this is all about the types of certificate you can get from NPTEL. Okay, and here for 12-week course you will get 3 credit. For 8-week course you will get 2 credit, and for 1 week sorry, for 3-week course you will get 1 credit. Okay, and some of you are asking question like if I secured like elite plus gold, then will I get full refund or full reimbursement? Guys, there is no such provision, but at the most minimum, like many time NPTEL used to refund the full fee who used to score more than 90 score or 90 score. So this is all depend on your spouse, your college spouse. So your college spouse used to get some money from NPTEL side, and they can distribute that. So if your score is 90 or more than 90, you can expect like you will maximum, there is high probability that you will get full refund. Okay, and in some cases NPTEL also used to refund 50% of the fee. So many time I also myself secured good score like more than 80%, but I didn't get refund. But who people who secured 46 47 score, they got refund. So semester to semester it get varies. So don't worry, you, if your certificate has good score, you be happy with that, and there is 1,000 rupees, no need to this. Okay guys, and if you want to enroll the best courses in coming 2021 semester, guys, go and check it out our video from the playlist NPTEL information, and watch first 3 video of that playlist. You will get all the information about NPTEL domain certificate, NPTEL star certificate, and how to register NPTEL best certificate. Go and register from that, and soon within 1 week I will inform that what are the courses in this 2021 first semester I am going to provide solution. So soon I will update guys. Thanks a lot for watching this video, and I hope this video is going to be helpful for you. And this video is long, so sorry for that. And I hope you have already subscribed my channel, and you have already recommended your juniors to follow up us and join our community. And if you have not done, then please subscribe my channel, share this video with other learner, and also tell about our services to your juniors so they can also get help and appreciate you for guiding. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Please stay at home, stay safe, stay tuned with Deep Code Guru. Happy learning.